Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set a picture as the image clock background on the always on display screen on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, let's go back to the home screen. So I'm going to unlock my device and go back to the home screen. Or you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, you want to scroll down and tap on lock screen. In here, go down and tap on always on display. Make sure you turn on always on display. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then go down and tap on clock style. Next, at the top here, by default, it will set to select clock. So you want to choose image clock. So tap on the image clock tab and then tap on gallery. And from here, you can choose gallery or photos. I'm going to choose gallery. Next, in the gallery, select an image that you would like to use as a background. So here, let's say I want to use this image as a background. I tap on it. And if you want to change it, you can tap on the remove button and select a different image. So again, I'm going to select the picture and then tap on done. Now if you tap on the side button to lock the screen and tap on the lock screen, you can see this will show the image as a background on your always on display. It will be quite dim. It will not be very bright because that can cause your phone to use up a lot of battery power. So it will be dim as an image, and that's it. So that is how you can set an image or a picture as an image clock background on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.